Hi guys, we are in a Range Rover, a beautiful car. This car came in with lots of problems. Now the problems are fixed and we are doing test drive, and let's see what the driver has to say about his car and his driving experience. New driving experience, I should say.
Well, I am most pleased to be introduced to this garage where they showed me all the problems with my car. I'm driving this car now for 2 years, and it's the first time it's ever felt like this. It's like a new car. Now I've got to get used to it all again, and I'm totally happy with the job that's been done on it. It was explained to me from top to bottom when I first went in there what the problem was, and he showed me examples, and I said to myself, this is where I'm leaving my car and my key to get work, and I'm come back, collected it, I'm driving it on the test drive. I'm totally satisfied. Good job done. Anybody who I think has got a car problem and needs an honest mechanic or man garage, here's the place to come. Here's the place to come, because it's
Your car is free like a bird.
Easy like a bird. I've got to pull it back like I'm riding a horse, because he wants to go.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
That's no problem. No,
Okay.
Thank you.
See you guys on another video, and happy customer feedback. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.